We're in the electrified sector. So we started first with electrified commercial vehicles, and we're starting to go a little bit into the passenger side. So with the commercial side, we've got DFSK, which does the small vans. We also do the small lorries. So up to 9.5 feet for the back deck. We've got the most energy efficient small van that you can find at 14.3 kilowatts per 100 kilometers. And then after that, we started bringing in the larger ones, which are basically the Farizon brand. So the Farizon brand has a SuperVan. So that's 6.9 cubic feet of space in a flat roof, which can be parked in HDB because it's under 2 tons. SuperVan's got various sizes. You've got 5 meters, 5.5, 6 meters in length. You've got from 6.9 cubic feet of cargo space and higher. You've got interesting specialties of the SuperVan because not only can you choose your length, your battery size, and your height, you have a standard not electrified seats, but air-conditioned seats. So probably one of the first electric vans you can find in Singapore with a very nice cooling seat. It keeps you a little bit more alert because you're not so tired. And because of that, for safety, you've got full ADAS, safety 360 cameras, warning lane. If you move out of your lane, all the alarms will go off. So all the technology inside there just to keep your assets safe for yourself, because these are the things which we want. So it saves you money, it protects your own asset, it's comfortable that people do not get strenuous or tired driving the vehicle, and it's a spacious new high-tech vehicle which looks like nothing else out there. Further on after that, we'll also evolve more into the lorry segment. So we've got SRM, Singapore's best-selling electrified lorry in 2024. Huge deck space, up to 14 people, 300 kilometer range. It was something which we believe would fit into the local market because a lot of people wanted all those specs inside it, and it worked because that made that particular SRM the bestseller in Singapore for electric lorry for that year. We've got other brands, we have other models, even from the Farizon. We've got large lorries, 14-footer, something which is not so common here in Singapore. We managed to bring it in. It's homologated 14 feet, 20 feet, and more coming, even prime movers and such. And not only can we do a normal system which people want of a deck or a box, we are even able to have it as a refrigerated vehicle. So SRM as a lorry can be a refrigerated box carrier. You have the 14-footers and 20-footers. We can also put the reefer systems onto them on the large box, and in the future even larger ones. Then of course the next part is people would say, then my range is going to get shorter and shorter and shorter. Yes. So we are working out with a particular system which we should be able to introduce in about 6 months or 3 months on having an additional battery pack to support the reefer system. Therefore, the vehicle's traction battery does what it's supposed to do. Move the vehicle, and the additional reefer battery will be able to power the reefer systems on board. Then, of course, now we are starting with series, which is a Cat A car now. So it's a nice, comfortable, convenient. It is, how should I put it? Energy efficient, it's real. So some other vehicles tend to promise a lot of things. It doesn't promise much. It promises that it will deliver you from A to B, comfortable drive, and something that has been used in China with very long kilometers under its belt to know what works, what doesn't work, and to make sure it survives. It can even be used for very long mileage, like for PhD drivers and such. It does what it's supposed to do. Travel efficiently and comfortably for your motoring needs. So what we've done is basically there are requirements, there are issues. We find the products and services to help overcome these issues and deliver the correct product to the customers. We work with them, find out what they need, and we hope to deliver the correct product to them.